Over 2 years of planning, 35 miles, 150 workers, 7 million pounds of steel, and a commitment to do it right. Running from Forest City to Marion in western North Carolina, a state-of-the-art pipeline is being installed to support infrastructure needs in the region.
Being a good neighbor in the communities we serve is more than operating a safe system. It's working to minimize impacts to people, the environment, and building relationships in the process.
Safety is involved every step of the way, from how we build and operate our pipelines to how we work around the community.
This project will help us address the existing and future needs for natural gas in the area. Additionally, we will be addressing the safety and integrity issues within our transmission system. Also, we will be developing a new corridor, which will allow us to offer safe and efficient natural gas to residents and businesses alike.
Following construction, work begins to restore the area and maintain it to ensure the safety of the pipeline. In Union Mills, restoration work is nearly complete. Our ties to the area remain long after construction ends. Workers have had the opportunity to interact with the communities along the route in a special way.
We organized a meal for all the pipeline workers here one day. They were doing such a good job keeping our community safe, and they were doing a nice job of cleaning up and making the place look nice, that we just really wanted to thank them for that.
It's been all positive. Very impressed with the progress and how fast they've came through and how well they worked together and how well they've worked with the community.
The commitment to building a safe system also extends to our promise of being environmental stewards. River crossings involve boring the pipeline below the riverbed and is conducted with the utmost care in accordance with environmental standards.
Everything that we do has been permitted through the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. So we have a full plan that encompasses the amount of rainfall that we will see, any type of runoff. All of that is encompassed within our plans. All the environmental features that we put in are there to protect the environment and to protect the streams that we really love in western North Carolina.